Hello, happy Tuesday Tech Tip. Today we are going to be talking about how to create GIFs. And I apologize in advance because I say GIF and I know it's very contested. Some people say GIFs. So just know going in that I'm going to say GIF throughout this whole time. So if that's going to bother you, maybe skip this one. So today we're going to talk about how do you create these GIFs that you see online. So first of all, there are lots of ways to do this. We are going to use the Giphy website. And what you can do is go to jiffy.com, Giphy.com. And you can log in. You can log in with a Facebook account. You can log in with an email. Once you've logged in, you're going to hop over here to where it says create. So if I'm making my own GIF, I can create it from a video that I already made or have own. But I am going to use YouTube because YouTube is a wonderful resource of tons and tons of videos. So I've been watching a lot of Sesame Street lately with my child. And I found this great video of Elmo flying. And so I'm going to make a GIF of Elmo flying. And so what I'm going to do is find the video I want to use on YouTube, copy the link to that video, and then pop back over to the Giphy website and paste it into this URL bar. And you'll see it'll open up the video right off the bat. And it's going to start it right at the beginning of the video, but I can advance and have the start time down here be at any point. So I want it to be right when he's figuring out how to fly. So I'm going to kind of move forward this just a little bit. There we go. Okay, and then right here, up here, I can decide how long this GIF is, or GIF, GIF, oh, I'm confusing myself now, is going to be. So right now it's 4 seconds. I can move that down to 3 seconds, get it exactly what I want, and I can see the frame right here of what it's going to look like. If that's what I want it to look like, I'm just going to go to continue to decorate. And what it will let me do is add stickers and filters, draw, add captions, all sorts of fun stuff on top of this GIF. So I can use my meme font, and maybe I want to say flying high. Okay, so once I have those words, I can shrink them, or I can adjust the size, the shape. I can delete them. Maybe I want it a little smaller. I can change the font over here. I can come over here to stickers. So if I wanted to add moving stickers, I could do that. I can come to filters. I can change the filter. So maybe I want it to be creepy or black and white or glitchy like that. I'm just going to do no filter. I think that's the way I want it to look. And then I just hit continue. I can tag it if I want to. I can decide if I make it public on the Giphy website, and I just click upload. And I can now grab the link for this GIF. I can copy it and I can paste it wherever I want it to go, or I can embed it onto a website. I can share the media. Just remember that if it was not your video, it does probably have copyright associated with this. So keep in mind all of the copyright rules that relate to it. So hopefully that's helpful. And now GIFs and GIFs, the only confusing and challenging part of it will be how to pronounce them, but not how to make them. If you have more questions or if you have other things you'd love to see in our Tuesday Tech Tips, let me know, and I will see you back here next Tuesday.